Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Ambaruchi and today I'm going to show you guys how to make creamy homemade sweetened condensed milk just as delicious as La Lechera brand. And as a bonus recipe, I'm going to show you guys how to make a super easy delicious dessert using the sweetened condensed milk. Fresa con cremas, otherwise known as strawberries and cream. The ingredients and tools I use in this video will be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a big thumbs up and click down below and subscribe to my channel. So to get started, I'm going to put my saucepan on a medium heat. Now to make this sweetened condensed milk extra rich and creamy like La Lechera brand, I am going to be mixing two different types of liquids here, and I'm using almond milk. You can definitely use whole milk for this, but I am using almond milk. So I am going to add 1 cup of almond milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. So I have 2 cups total, and this is going to reduce to make about 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it starts boiling a little bit. After about 5 to 7 minutes, your milk will look like this. You'll see little bubbles forming on top, and that's when you want to add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. I'm gonna give this a nice stir. Then we're gonna let this reduce for another 10 to 15 minutes until it's thick and creamy. At this point, you wanna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's gonna give it that nice vanilla flavor that La Lechera sweetened condensed milk has. And then you can place this in a jar or wherever you want to let it cool. So this is the sweetened condensed milk, and I poured it into a measuring cup just to see how much it gave me, and it gave me almost exactly 1 cup. And this is the final product: thick, creamy, delicious sweetened condensed milk, just as delicious as La Lechera brand. That vanilla and I believe the almond milk also gives it such a distinct flavor that makes it, to me, the closest thing to La Lechera sweetened condensed milk, and makes it 100 times better than just regular milk and sugar. Now I'm going to put this sweetened condensed milk recipe to use and make some delicious fresas con crema, otherwise known as strawberries and cream. So here I have about 4 cups of fresh strawberries, and what I'm gonna do is dice these. You can slice them or dice them. I prefer them diced. So I'm gonna dice them and let you know about how many cups this equals to. So I measured it out, and the 4 cups of whole strawberries equals about 3 cups of diced strawberries. So I'm gonna set these aside for now. So for the cream filling, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of yogurt, and that's vanilla Greek yogurt. You can also use plain yogurt. And I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream, and the 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk that we just made. And I'm going to mix this all together. Then I'm going to add all my strawberries in there. And give that a nice mix. Now if you like yours nice and thick like this, this is perfect. But I like mine's a little thinner, so I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk. I'm gonna give that a nice mix, and I think that is going to be the perfect consistency. And I added about 1/3 cup of almond milk. And I think this is perfect. Now I'm gonna serve the fresa con crema. These look really beautiful in glass jars or cups. This is the delicious fresas con crema. I'm gonna give give that a taste. It's amazing, rich, creamy, tart from the strawberries. That is so delicious. This makes a perfect, refreshing summer treat. And you know what's even more awesome about this is that you can blend this, freeze it, and make delicious fresa con crema popsicles. Thank you guys for watching my 2-in-1 tutorial. Today I showed you guys how to make homemade, thick, creamy, sweetened condensed milk and delicious, refreshing fresas con crema, otherwise known as strawberries and cream. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and click down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.